laughing man. This is a storybook, Bia. Okay. Oh, you sit there. You sit there. This is a story, man. The things I do for love. Little fox. One day, there was a boy who wake up. Good morning, Mr. Sun. Good morning today. He goes out to the house. And then he see the dada. The dada is sleeping. And then the boy said, "Hey, wake up, dada." You follow me.
Wake up, Dada!
Again.
Wake up, Dada!
And the dada rub the tummy. And he wakes up. Okay, good morning, my panda son. Good morning, Dada Tiger. And then they go out. And then they eat. And then they eat. And then they eat. And then they kiss the audience. And they kiss the audience. And they kiss the audience. After they eat, they go to the CR and they wash together. Wash, wash, wash 3 times a day. Wash, wash, wash 3 times a day. After they wash, they brush their teeth. Brush their teeth, and kiss the audience. And the brush, and they kiss the audience. And then after that, the dada said, "Okay, I will now go to work and you leave you in the house, okay?" "Yes, the Tiger Dada, I will be here in the house only. Do not go. Do not go." Repeat, do not.
Do.
Okay, again?
Do not do.
Okay. And then the Tiger Dada goes to work. And then the baby panda here, playing. Take a nap in the 10 a.m. Go to the rep and get goat's milk. Brought you by Motapo. Goat's milk. After goat's milk, he goes back. He stays in there and watch TV. Watch Benjamin and...
Pico.
Yes. Again?
Benjamin and Pico.
Very good. Okay. And then the boy said, I am bored. I will go outside and play in the ball pit. I will go outside and play in the ball pit. So the boy goes and play in the ball pit. Alone. No dada, no mama. And then he play happy. Ha 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 ha. Play happy. Ha ha ha. And it's night time. Now it's night time. The boy goes to go back. Oh no! I don't know where to go home. Where is my home? Oh no! The boy don't know where to go home. And then he just crying inside. He's outside. Don't know how to go home.
Yeah.
And then the dada came back to the house. "Hello, my panda son. Where are you? Where are you? Did you see my son? Did you see my son? Did you see my son?"
Yeah.
And then he panicked. "I must go out and find my panda son." Then he goes out. And then on the dark area there outside, he saw the panda boy crying. "There you are, my son. Where have you been?" "Sorry, Dada. I went to the ball pit alone." I went to the ball pit alone.
Yeah,
And the Tiger Dada, why did you go to the ball pit? Why did you go to the ball pit alone? without Dada Tiger. I'm sorry, Dada. Next time I will not do that. And the Dada, Tiger, and Panda san hug. It's okay. But next time you do that without telling me, I will be angry. Yes, Dada. I am glad that you are safe. Mwah. And then kiss each other. Mwah. And then they go back to the home. And then Mama is cooking. And then the Panda bear eat. And the bear eat. And then they go to in the bedroom and sleep. And then happily sleeping. The end. Little Pax. The end. The end.
Yeah.
You play the pause button because Dada is pause. Little Pax. That is the 6th story today, ha?
Enough now of the story. Tomorrow again.
Tomorrow again, we will have the cat with the crown.